the park that Bonbon usually play. Usually came and play. There's a lot of people here. It's like a picnic area for families and kids, because the kids are playing. Here you can see they're playing soccer, cricket, because that's famous here. This is the tall buildings. See, this Bunso is very tired. What happened?
I'm tired.
You're not the Bunso? Dada is tired, not the Bunso? You're so kulit. Your ball. You like it here because
Too big. Too big.
it's very large area to play. He can walk around, he can run, and he can do whatever he wants. This is usually like a park that families can have their own time, family time, like picnic, playing. Their kids are playing, and this little Bonbon is sleepy. He's tired, but he still wanted to play. What are you doing there? You're picking something?
Yes, picking something.
We are playing with Dada's key.
My key stone. Hey! Nakalabas ka na dyan sa...
Hey! It's grass already.
Wrestling tayo ha. Wrestling. Dada. Wrestling. 1, 2, 3.
It's cold here, Bunso. See? You have grass already in your hair. It's cold here, Bunso.
Oh, here. Not there.
This makulit. Excuse me, sir.
Hey, don't pick.
You want to sleep here? Huh?
I want to sleep here.
Dada is sleepy already. You just had your milk. What are you doing?
Natanggal na yung ano niya. Sleeper niya.
Kasher makulit, come here.